Have you ever wondered what happens after you meet YouTube eligibility criteria? 1. 4,000 watch hours. 2. 1,000 subscribers. And 3. Following YouTube monetization policies. The next thing is that you become a YouTube partner and you are eligible to begin to earn on your content, and you qualify for all of this: watch page ad, short feed ad, membership, supers, shopping, access to customer care. Can you get all of these amazing features? I want to show you how to activate your short feed ads and your watch page ads. The short feed ad to earn on your short videos, and your watch feed ads to earn in your long form video. Turning this on is very simple. Follow me as I show you this screen record. What follows after this is the review of every policy. You have to read them hook, line, and sinker. And after you've read all the policies, you accept, and then the next thing is that the tool will be activated. Alright, so the shorts have been activated, and I'll lead you straight to why the long form videos were activated and how they were activated. So these are the tools available now: membership, super, shopping, and others. And so you have access to customer care and quick response and quick reply. So these are some of the advantages. So this is for long form videos. So long form videos are being turned on right now, which is the watch page ads. Alright, so these are part of the criteria. And when you meet the 4,000 watch hours, you've met your 1,000 subscribers, and your end page has updated. So these are the things you'll be seeing. So now you could see my watch page, there's nothing reading because I just activated it. So if any video starts reading or is getting monetized, it will take an average of 2 to 3 days for whatever that video has earned to reflect. So that's what happens. So the same thing for my short feeds, which is the short form videos. You could see it's showing 0 because nothing is counting and nothing is reading currently. Alright, so this was what happened on the first day that these monetization tools were activated. So as you're about to see in the next screen now, the 5 tools: watch page ads, short feed ads, membership, supers, and shopping have been activated. These tools have been activated. Now it's time to put in the hard work, create content continuously and consistently. And so employ every means: your hashtag, your tags, appealing and catchy titles. So the moment your channel gets monetized, that's when work actually begins. All what you've been doing before has been like maybe you were playing. So it's now that the real work actually started. If this video has been very helpful, let me know your thoughts, your reactions, your comments, on how to activate the various monetization tools. I'd like you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for my next post.